Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to create files and folders and how to create files by using put method. So first we'll see how to use make directory function. So we have syntax for dbutils.fs.mkdirs. This syntax we'll use for creating either directories or files. So what it does is it creates new directories and add new files or scripts within the newly created directories. So this is the syntax and can be used to create a new directory called scripts with in DBFS file system. So first we'll see what is the help function on these make directories. So creates the given directory if does not exist. Also creating any necessary parent directories. So if you want to help on any function, no, you can use it dbutils.fs.help and you can mention function name. So here they give an example how to use it. Make dirs and your path. Okay, so if you see this is mount my folder and we have some folders ABC. Okay, so what it does is make directory. So by default, these things will be there. And suppose ABC. So if folders are not there, then it will create ABC automatically. Suppose if AB is already there, then only C is not there, then it will create C folder. Okay, so next we'll take help on put function. So what it does is it writes the given string to file encoded in UTF-8. So example syntax for this put, and inside that path we have to mention where we want to save this particular file and what is our data. So here this shown for single row. They shown for single row. So if in further we'll see how to create files with multiple rows, and it is mentioned true. Okay, so this is the syntax, and now first we'll see how to create folder. So I'm using dbutils.fs.mkdirs. I want to create folder Databricks under Databricks scripts. Okay, so if you list down our default files, if you use %fs.ls, see normally this one we can see under catalog. Okay, so now DBFS is available. So if you see this DBFS now, so last 3 days, this option is not available. Okay, maybe there is some bug inside. So now this option is available. Okay, so now we can make use of this file. So we'll see both the methods, uh, how to see this way and how to use catalog. Catalog, you can go to DBFS. So what I created is Databricks scripts. Okay, so Databricks is outside and scripts. Okay, since I think okay, since I already created no, so this way this file is available there. So what I do is I'll remove this file, then we'll try from scratch. Okay. So for remove this folder, what I'm doing dbutils.fs.rm and I'm mentioning path. This path from where I got is go to catalog dbfs. So here file is created. So I want to delete this whole directory. So what I did is copy path, copy this one, and I pasted here. Okay, so and I given true condition. This is, you can mention is true or recursive equal to true. So both will work. So what is recursive equal to true means it will delete child files and folders also. Since I took root folder, no, so it will delete scripts, and inside that file is there, no, that also it will get delete. See, once it is successful, it will mention here true. Okay, so I will mention, okay, capital T. Oh, okay, so since it is true now, and now if you observe here, you will not find this Databricks. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll try to create this. If I run this, it will generate here true. So what it means, this folder is not created. If you see under DBFS, you'll find Databricks folder, and it created scripts, and we don't have file here because I'm not uploaded any file. Okay, so this is how we can create new files. Files are folders. So similar way you can check here also. You can use %fs, and if you run, it will list down all these things. But I am interested, I want to check here and try to run this one and try to copy this one and replace with this. Okay, this is for checking all the files and folders inside this. But what I want to check, why we started this, want to check this Databricks, whether this folder is created or not. This one, Databricks scripts. Since it is at root level, no need to go file store and all. So you just run %fs.ls. You will find here, see this Databricks. Okay, and you copy this path. And if you try to run here, %fs.ls and path Databricks. And inside this, you will find scripts file folder, this one. Okay, so there are two methods. One is going through catalog method, catalog dbfs method, and checking this way using %fs.ls. So why I go on this method is, so last 3 days, this catalog, no, the catalog dbfs, this is not available. Okay, so from Databricks side, there is some issue and this got deactivated. So this is the alternate method. If by in future, if this dbfs is not available for you, then you try to use this method. Okay, after creating folder, you try to use this method, %fs.ls. It will list down all the root folders. So since I given root file as Databricks, so from here you will find the whatever you created files and folders. So this one simple example I shown you how to use this main directory function. So I already created one video. If you see my in channel playlist Databricks, there is one video. Third one, dbutils FSRM dbutils fs make directory. And in this video, at the end, I explained about how to create uh, folders. Okay, so here I created with multiple files. Okay, so here how I created is syntax is same, and this, see here in here I created with root folder. Okay, all are new. So we don't have existing for directories and folders. But if you see here, these folders already existed. Okay, this is default, no, file store tables. See uh, this one, file store. Under this we have tables. Okay, file store tables is the default or existing file, existing directory, you can say. So inside that, I'm creating this streaming folder one. And inside that, I'm creating stream underscore checkpoint. Okay, and after creating this, under this stream checkpoint, I'm creating 4 folders. For 4 different formats, I created uh, different format folders: CSV, JSON, Parquet, ORC, Avro. So similar way, this is one folder, stream checkpoint. One more is stream read stream. One more is stream write stream. So if you try to run this, one, if I need to check whether already is there or not. If it is there, we'll remove and recreate it. See, it mentioned true. Okay, so now we'll go catalog, where we'll go file store tables, streaming, stream checkpoint. So catalog, DBFS, file store, tables, streaming. So under streaming, we have 3 folders. This one, stream checkpoint, read stream, write stream. Okay, so under this, each folder, we have these 5 folders, file formats. Okay, CSV, JSON, ORC, Parquet. Okay, and here also you can see all 5 folders. Here also you'll see all 5 folders. So this is how we can create multiple folders. Okay, so here I created newly, this newly created. So here, what is the difference is this already existed up to here. On top of that, I created this structure. So first is one streaming folder. Under this, I created 3 folders: stream checkpoint, stream read stream, stream write stream. And again, each folder, I created 5 folders. Okay, so this is about how to create folders or files. So next our topic is how to use put function. So syntax is dbutils.fs.put. So we'll see first how to create JSON format file. So normally what we'll do, we'll be having JSON file, readily available JSON file, or maybe it is extracted from source. From source stream, we'll get JSON file. So that how we'll read, we'll use spark dot read.json and we'll mention path multi-line equal to true. Okay, so here what we are doing, we're trying to create here itself. Okay, so I'm using this dbutils.fs.put and inside that I'm mentioning the path. See, we already created now this path, Databricks scripts. Under this, I'm creating this JSON file. So I given name. If you see here, we have only Databricks scripts. We don't, as of now, we don't have any file. Okay, so this is the file name I wanted, like this, multi-line underscore nested dot JSON. Okay, next, I'm using triple quote and I'm opening array, and inside that I'm giving JSON format. Okay, so JSON format I given like this. Okay, so key value pair and for address inside that I given like this. See my whole JSON file, you can observe like this how I created. Okay, and at the end I given true. So why I given true is, so first time I'm creating this one. Okay, so if I try to run this, it will generate true and it wrote this many bytes. So this file we have this many bytes. So if you go and check here, Databricks scripts, see here, this file got created here, multi-line nested JSON. Suppose I want to remove up to here. I don't want this. So if I try to run this, see, it will run without error. Now bytes got reduced and it will overwrite in same location. Databricks scripts here in same file, it will overwrite. Why it overriding? Since we given true. Okay, so that is the difference. Why we are giving true. So I'm undoing back. See, it will increase now. Okay, so now file got created and now it is in catalog. Now how to view this? So here I'm using %fs head method and I'm mentioning path. So this path from where I'm getting, you can go here catalog and you can copy this one, Databricks scripts, and go here, copy path, copy. Okay. So this is the path, whatever I copied. And if you try to display, see it displaying whatever I created JSON file. Okay, so if you want more information about %fs head, I created video on how to use head. So here I explained still more in-depth detail. You can check that video. And so this is one way of reading. And this one is our regular method, spark.read.json. And I given this path. And here I'm reading as multi-line equal to true. See it giving in our tabular format. Okay, so first I created JSON file by using put method. I created and I saved in one particular location directory. So later I'm trying to read by using, first I read with by using %fs head method. Second one is our regular method, spark.read.json. Next we'll see how to create a text file. Okay, so for this what I'm doing, I'm defining one variable and in double quotes in string format, and I am mentioning all my data. So how I am defining, see, this is my first column names. Okay, up to here column names. How I am starting with second row, I given \n. Okay, \n, and I am giving first row details. And after first row again /n, again it will start with second row. Okay, so like this you can enter how many rows you want. Okay, so later what I'm doing, dbutils.fs.put, and I want to create folder structure like this. See, earlier I used databricks.scripts. Okay, so now I'm creating like this. So these folders we don't have right now. Okay, so we'll check if it is there. We'll try to delete and recreate it. See this data main branch. Okay, so it is already there. So what we'll do, first we'll try to remove this. It will be easy for you how it creates. So for removing, what I'm doing, dbutils.fs.remove and path, and I'm mentioning true. So if I try to run this, we'll get true here. That means this whole folder structure got deleted. Now if you go and check here, see we don't have data. So this entire structure got deleted. So now what I will do, So first I want to create one root folder, that is data. Under this I want this one main_branch. Under this subfolder repo, again subfolder project, and I want file name as sales.txt. And what is the text is, our data is this one, whatever we created here, and true. So regarding true, we already discussed. Okay, so if I try to run this, see, go to catalog, we have data main branch. Okay, so now folder got created, data main branch, repo, project, and this is our file. Now, how to read this one? So again, I'm using this %fs.head method and this path. Okay, so how I'm getting from catalog, I copied file path. And second method is our regular method, spark.read.csv, and path I given, header equal to true, info schema equal to true. Okay, so this is reading. Whatever I created text file, no, it is reading here. And third one, we'll see CSV format, how to create CSV file. So here also I'm following same method, defining one variable. And this is my first column names up to here. And I'm using /n. And from here, it will start first row of data. /n, again, second row. Okay, so like this, it will start. You can enter how many rows you want. So this is our data. This is true. And if you see here, same path. Okay, so up to here, we already created here. Now what it will create is under project, we have already one text file. Now it will create one more CSV file, marketing.csv. If I try to run this, and if I go and check catalog, DBFS, data, main branch, repo, project, see, marketing.csv. File got created. And how to read, same method, %fs head and spark.read.csv. This is our regular method. See if you want to increase some more rows, you can do it. You just copy this one up to here. Here use \n and enter one more row. Since we given true, no, it will get a replace. These bytes will get increased now. See, 918. And in same folder, same file name, it will get replaced. Okay. So next we'll see fourth one, format, Avro, Parquet, ORC. Okay. So these things it won't support in put by using put function. Is primarily for writing string or text data to a file in DBFS. It does not directly support writing data in binary formats such as Avro, Parquet, and ORC. Okay, so currently it is not supporting for binary formats of these three. So what are the formats it's supporting? One is JSON. First one is JSON. Second one is text file. Third one is CSV file. Okay, so this is about this video, how to use, how to create directories and how to create files using put method. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.